job today that we're going to be replacing the coil, which is here, and the condenser outside. We're going to be doing a duct blaster on this job to check duct leakage, and so we're going to seal up this ductwork and repair what needs to be repaired. Now you can see how this duct's laying across the ceiling here. It's got to be strapped up better than that. The other thing that I noticed walking down here is we've got a triangle wedge down here. These things are horrible ideas. And then of course you see all this duct just sitting on the ceiling, not stretched out. That's gonna greatly restrict your airflow. What we're gonna do is a static pressure test before and after. So we're gonna see what our static pressure is on this duct system, and I can tell you, looking at that, it's probably pretty bad. And then when we're done, we'll look back and see what it looks like. So we're checking the static pressure on the system before we change it out. What do we have? We've got a 0.83 static pressure. These units are rated for 0.5. So the higher your static pressure gets, the more resistance there is to airflow. Hey everybody, we're back. We're looking at our install from yesterday. We dropped our total external static pressure from 0.83 yesterday to 0.42. We've made some significant changes here to the duct system. We replaced the coil, drain pan, all of that, put a transition in here. We also replaced this transition here. We put a media filter in here. We added 2 returns. As we run around to this side, you can see the way the guys have supported the ductwork properly, sealed everything up. One of the things you're gonna really notice is this duct, if you remember yesterday, was just laid across the attic here. And then when we got down here to this side, there was, I believe, 3 Ys back here. Each one of these ducts is ran independently. Whenever possible, we want to eliminate fittings and Ys. They add equivalent length to the duct run. So even though your duct run in this case is probably 20-25 feet, by putting a Y or 2 Ys, you're adding 15 to 30 feet to that equivalent length. We got rid of that horrible cheese box that we hate. We still got 1 Y back here on that duct, but that certainly ran much better. And you can see the change. It's certainly understandable why there's a huge difference in the static pressure. Once we got the static pressure, we were then able to go in to the blower data on the furnace and set the blower speed to deliver the proper CFM. So we know we've got 1350 CFMs coming out of this unit. We've checked our pressures outside. We've got an 8-degree subcool and it's set for 8 degrees. This unit is humming like a champ. It's working great. And you can see just the overall quality that these guys, they do everything down to the detail.